NAS Australia started operations in 1982. It's a Queensland family-owned and operated business. Started selling TV antennas and satellite equipment in the early days. Since that time, we've diversified, moving into electronic security products, enterprise Wi-Fi and data, home automation, home theatre. NAS Newstead's our head office, so we've got our service department, accounts department, main distribution centre and all of our support staff.
The primary limitation of the old platform was the Windows Mobile based operating system, which was coming to its end of life. We knew that was going to get harder and harder to support over time, and as the scanner hardware reached its end of service life, it was getting more and more difficult to replace.
Looking to engage a warehouse management system that would bolt on effectively to our existing ERP system, just improving our efficiency.
And we decided to go with the Cloud Coders WMS as we saw that that was a platform that could serve us well for the next 10 years going forward. What we liked was the stable operating system and the Android-based off-the-shelf technology that we knew would give us the flexibility to continuously upgrade as features became available. A customer might phone or email an order in or place an order via our online e-commerce platform. That comes into our ERP as a sales order, and the sales rep will push that into the WMS to be picked. That will automatically be distributed to the CT60 scanners. The warehouse staff will locate the asset to be picked and place that onto a trolley, take that through to the packing bench where the scanners are again used to pack the order and prepare it for shipment. From an IT perspective, one of the things that I really liked about the CT60 is the speed and responsiveness of the user interface on it. Everything feels like it's happening instantly. You never feel like you're having to wait for the scanner software when you're conducting a pick or a sale or a transfer or any sort of inventory or stock movement.
The Honeywell CT60 unit has made life much easier. We receive lots and lots of goods that are serialised, so a lot of my day can be taken up scanning serials to put those items into stock. The scan engine on the CT60 is far superior to anything that we had before. One of my favourite things about the Cloud Coders WMS is that it gives me the ability to find items using either the item code itself or even just the location that it may in fact be in. I can scan that location, it will tell me the items that are within it. If it's not actually the item that I'm looking for, I can scan an item code and it's going to tell me all the places that it's actually held within the warehouse. So many of the processes within the Cloud Coders WMS are so much faster to use than the previous system that we had. As well as the level of accuracy that it's brought to us. It's also meant that receiving of goods has moved so much faster now, putting items away. And when it comes to picking, because we're no longer limited to we can only pick from one area, we can pick from wherever that stock is within the warehouse. It's meant that bulk orders are now able to be processed so much faster.
One of my favourite things about the overall solution is the remote support possibilities that I have for our staff internally. I can bring up the scanner software remotely from my office here in Brisbane, and I can support our staff in our branch offices regionally without having to go to the expense of travelling to site.
Oh, the improvements have been immense. Realistically, in our branch locations, we believe that in each location it saved us one staff member per location, the effectiveness and efficiency of the WMS. The Honeywell CT60 is incredibly efficient, it was cost effective, very snappy in its performance, highly recommended and incredibly reliable.
The implementation process with Cloud Coders and the Honeywell platform was actually a great pleasure. There's lots of horror stories out there about IT project failures, and I've got to say this is one of the best ones that I've been involved in. It's been one of the best experiences that we've had with an IT project.